Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaizani bin Muhammad Yusof. Okay, today I would like to do a bit update for my FYP, my final year project in electronic engineering. So this week I will provide you what I do in these 3 weeks, which is week 5, 6, and 7. Okay, for the week 5, I conduct detailed refinement of the project title to ensure alignment with the research scope and supervisor requirement. Other than that, I do the development. I also develop and finalize the project aim and objective to clarify, to clearly define the research direction and expected outcome. And the third one is prepare and structure the project for overview and executive summary for proposal documentation. And the last one for the week 5 I do is perform literature review on existing wireless intrusion detection system to identify current technologies and research gap. For the last one, I still researching to improve my project. So the next week, what I do is I analyze the successful IoT enabled wildlife detection system to understand the effective of the design, approach, and integration strategies. And the next one is what I do is evaluate the limitation of PIR-based intrusion detection system and identify areas for improvement using AI-based detection, AI-based mission. And the third one is I selected LoRaWAN communication technology based on suitability for long-range agriculture deployment. Which is why I choose LoRaWAN is because I already compared it to Wi-Fi, which is the first one I use a Wi-Fi, but I think the connectivity and for the long range is a bit limited. So for Wi-Fi, so I use the LoRaWAN. Also, the data that I send to the transmission communication technology is a bit small, the data, so it's a bit wasteful to use Wi-Fi. So the last one that I do for this week 6 is I select MySQL as a database management system to support scalable ingestion event storage. Why I select MySQL? Because of I have a two option, which is Firebase or MySQL. Also, I consider SQLite, but I think MySQL is the best one because of the web the system can really make sure can tolerate with my project. For Firebase, I think Firebase is need to invest more for advance in the Firebase system to make it suitable for this project. So I think MySQL is the best way because of the I don't need to invest more, and the current MySQL that free for student use is also suitable, is very suitable for my project. So the last week, which is week 7, what I do is I install and configure my SQL within the deployment environment and verify system functionality. And the next one is I design and implemented the intrusion event database scheme. The third one is I install and configure Node-RED as my dashboard and establish connectivity with my SQL database. And the last one what I do at week 7 is conduct backend testing by validating successful data insertion from Node-RED into MySQL. So that's what I do for this past 3 weeks. That's all for my edit. Thank you.